Ready for a protein-packed snack? Let's whip up some delicious black chana chaat. Add chopped potatoes, onions, cucumbers, and paneer to your boiled chickpeas and give it a mix. Now season with salt, black pepper, and chaat masala. Squeeze in some ketchup and give it a quick stir to coat everything. Then add some nuts for that extra crunch. Followed by a fresh squeeze of lemon juice for that tangy brightness. Next, pour in creamy whisked yogurt and top with fresh cilantro. So satisfying. Try this recipe yourself and tag me in your creation.